Good morning. I pray all is well. How do you sleep and how are you feeling? Good morning. I slept so hard that first night and really good last night as well. Sleep is always a challenge for me because of pain, so I am thrilled. I have been having conversations with myself at the ages you pointed out. So much healing taking place. Thank you for sharing your gift. You're welcome. Your session was full of breakthroughs. Stay grounded and hydrated. You can heal from your trauma with no harmful side effects and no medication at jhollingshed.com. Go to the website now.